What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and today is February 25th, and it's my birthday. So I'm actually in Las Vegas and currently at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. That's right. Today we are going to, I guess, try our hands at some asphalt stuff and do the Nascar racing experience, the Richard Petty NASCAR racing experience. So I guess buckle up and yeah, let's go have a good time. Alrighty, guys, so in true Lumsden Motorsports fashion, it was almost late. There was a wreck on the freeway on the way up here from the strip, and we left an hour early, and we were supposed to be here at noon. I got a phone call while we were stuck in traffic from the wreck, and they're like, hey, are you gonna make it, or do we need to push you back a session? And I was like, oh, I'm on my way. Well, we pulled up at 12:01 and just barely made it into our session, and I just leaned up against that and almost fell over, and barely made our session. So yeah, I'm super stoked. Looking forward to trying this out, and yeah, I think we're gonna have some ride along footage for you, but you know, it's my birthday, turning 35. Figured might as well go do something fun and kind of special and have a good time. And of course, race car related, right? So let's go for a ride. Down for it, got a copy, Kevin. Got a copy. You can hear him talking, huh? Yeah, I can hear him, you just can't hear me. Have a solution. There we go.
Let's see if that one works. Try and do a radio check.
Radio check.
Let me know if you hear the beep. You hear a beep? Try it now.
Radio check. Copy. All right, well that was a kick in the pants. I had a fantastic time. Made it out with some goodies, hats, t-shirts and stuff, but also my little speed certificate here. I guess I got up to 158.54 was my top speed today. That was pretty cool. You go out there and they slowly let you increase your RPMs and give you a little bit more chip and give you a little bit more chip. So that was pretty cool. Then I got myself, hey, Dan's with me. Didn't say that earlier, but Dan's with me. And then I got this cool little plaque with a picture on it. That's pretty cool. I think so. I think I'm photo worthy there. That's victory lane status stuff. Anyways, it was a really good time. Car practically drives itself, you know. It's stuck really good to the racetrack, and part of it you're just along for the ride. But it was a really good time. Way different than dirt. Way different than dirt. But a lot of fun. I did get to pass a car. That was cool. I think it'd be, I don't know, I think it'd be awesome to run with a group of cars. Uh-oh. Do I want to try the asphalt world? I don't know. I think I pretty much like anything fast enough to do something stupid with. So anyways, I had a great freaking time. Look forward to maybe trying to talk some of my family into doing this with me again someday. I do suggest it. It's good. You all enjoy yourself. So anyways, I think with all that being said, I'm going to end the video here and get back to my birthday weekend. And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns down below. Don't forget to hit up the Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page. My brother's not here, so keep the dirty side down, and we'll check you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.